Setting the portion control on a JDF Silver Series with a membrane switch pad. Turn the dispense lockout switch to the off position. Press and hold the large and medium buttons on the leftmost dispense station until you hear the machine beep 3 times. Place a measuring container under the station to be adjusted. Press and hold the appropriate dispense switch until the desired amount is dispensed. The machine will record the amount of time that the button is pressed continuously. If the button is released too soon, simply empty the container and start over. Repeat steps for all stations as desired. Turn the dispense lockout switch to the on position.